the reason why your videos are not going viral and you're not getting views and you're not getting more subscribers is one of the things I'm going to explain to you. Just stick with me on this video. I'm going to explain to you from A to Z on why you are not getting views whenever you post your video. Whenever you post your video is on maybe 30, 40, 50, on 100, even 200 sometimes, and before you know it, keep on reducing every day. Your video is being stuck on one place and you find it difficult to, because it's when your video go viral, that's when you get subscribers, that's when you get likes. Do you understand me? So you stick with me on this video. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please give me that subscribe button, hit on that subscribe button and like this video and share with your friends. So let me not waste your time, let's hit to the top. Whenever you post your video, like you've created your video and you want to post it, and after posting it, do you know one thing that is causing those things? Don't share your link. Don't share your link to anybody. Just always leave it, and so that YouTube will analyze the video you've made already and be able to know the right audience to do what to supply it to. Because so many people are in a rush. Immediately they're done creating their video, maybe you're just starting, maybe you're done creating, before you know it, he copies the link of the video and posts on his or her status on Green app, or post it anywhere, start sharing it in other social medias. That is a red flag. Is a red flag, because you post it in a channel, you post it where you post it, that somebody who always watch animated videos will go and will click on that link and watch it, and YouTube will now begin to be like, this thing is being shown to somebody who watch animated video, let me distribute this video, because the first viewers or the second viewer or the top viewers, all of them come from a different, so you confuse the algorithms to be able to know the right audience to post, to send your videos to. That is the reason why you should not post links, or whenever you're done uploading video, don't share the links. Leave it, let it be like that. Leave it for YouTube to do their work. That is their work. Your work is to make video and do what, and post it on their channel, and they do what, and they distribute it to people. Anybody who likes it and stay on the video like 15 minutes or 10 minutes, 5 minutes, even the first 5 seconds matters a lot in any video you post on internet. Do you understand? So if you can be able to draw attention of the person who is watching it for like maybe 5 minutes, do you understand? YouTube will share it to many people, because they have seen that the person that have watched it have just done what. And maybe you tell people to go and like your videos, or tell people about your channel, or I posted a video in this, please go and do it. Members of your family, and mind you, they only go there to just click on it, subscribe to your channel. They don't literally watch the videos. They just go there, click on it small, and they leave. Do you understand? So YouTube will now come and be like, oh, this video is not going. That's why your video always stuck on one place. So if you are in that category, you should do what? You should stop doing it. You should stop sharing your link to any social media. Just leave YouTube to do their work. Once you post video, even if it is not getting engaged, do you know that a video you post today can start getting engagement like in 1 month or 2 months to come? So it depends on the time that the algorithms find the right audience to push your video to. That's when your video will start going. Some people pick their video peak right now, but some people, that video can even take time before you start going. So you should not be in a rush. Stop sharing your video. Stop sharing your link whenever you upload a video on YouTube. So another thing is this: if you're a beginner in YouTube, don't create new Gmail to start your to start your channel, because when you create a new Gmail, you have not been using it on YouTube to watch any video or to interact with videos on YouTube. It's just a new brand, a new brand Gmail account or a new brand email account. YouTube literally will see it as this Gmail is new, and you have not been interacting with people. Do you understand? They take it as maybe it's a robot or some robot stuff. That's why you see that most of the times you are meant to to verify your account so that you can be monetized. You have to verify your face or your ID or the history of your channel and other things. So they're mostly like, that's why most time you're not getting viewers. Or if you maybe you registered a new Gmail account, you just open a new Gmail account today, and you open YouTube account today with it. So what I'm advising, if you have an old email that you have not used on YouTube, all you need to do, go there, start using it to watch videos on YouTube. It will help YouTube to know that this email has been on YouTube for some times, and they have been commenting on people's video, and they have been liking on people. That is human that owns the email address. Do you understand? So that's one of the things. Don't create email today and use it to open a YouTube account. It's not okay it's not healthy for your channel. You may be there doing that, and your video, whenever you post it, your video will just talk in 50, 30, 20, even sometimes you not get one single views, unless maybe the people you shared the link of the video you sent, which I said sharing link is not okay for your channel. So if you are there in that category also, you stop doing it. And the next thing is this: take monetization off your mind. If you want to succeed in YouTube stuff, in YouTube video, or you want to be a good YouTuber that will start earning money in future, take your mind off monetization. Don't be in a rush to be monetized, because once you put your mindset on, I want to get monetized, I want my money, so you want to start getting money immediately. It doesn't work that way. You can even create like 20 channels, but none of them will be working out for you because you are impatient. You don't want to have patience, and it will make you not to have time to create a good video. A video that you don't even expect can blow up within 1 second, and your channel, the history of your channel will change. Everything will become good. So you should take off monetization off your mind for the moment. Keep on creating things that people will love to do, people will love to watch. Do you understand? The monetization comes later on. You cannot create a channel today and start to make money today. It takes time. It can even take you up to 4 years or 5 years or 3 years or 1 year. People get monetized in 1 month. Let me just tell you this. But once you put that monetization off your mind, you'll be able to do you'll be able to achieve what you are doing. Do you understand? And let me tell you this. Anytime you're creating a video, always be like, try to put effort in every video you're creating. Don't just create casual videos. A video that you never expected can go viral. Do you understand? But if the video is well stock and the video has a good quality, you find out that the engagement that it will get will be quality, and people that are engaging on it will love to watch more about your videos. Then that's when they will go back to your channel to be able to do and watch other videos. But once you mistakenly produce a video that is not well prepared, a video that is not well shot, do you understand? And you do and you publish it, and mistakenly the video went viral. Do you understand? Once the video goes viral, the quality of the video is not okay. People don't like the video, but the video is just going all of a sudden. But once the video is okay, you took your time to do it, and you made a research before making the video, and the quality of the video was nice, you see that it will draw more engagement to your channel. People will be eager to go and watch more of your videos because you're literally giving what they want. So try to keep time, try to make time to do to be able to do to be able to create a good video. Put effort in it. Do you understand? Because it's something that will generate you some good fortune in future. So you don't have to play with any of your video that you're creating. So get serious and create a good video in even if you're not getting views. Keep on creating videos that are good. The one that you don't expect can blow up your account. So that is it. Now, another thing, people just jump into trending. No, don't jump into trending. You know, if you're doing something that you don't like, just because others are doing it, it will not work for you. Create something that you're passionate about. Create something that you know you love doing. Because once it's just like talent. When you have talent, you literally have talent, and you're working towards that talent that you have, you see that you excel in life. Do you understand? But if you're doing something that you're not passionate, that you're doing it because others are doing it, it doesn't work that way. You won't be seeing the best results. Do you understand? Because you'll be struggling to do that you're forcing yourself literally to do that which others are doing because others are doing it and it looks fun. But that is not the kind of person you are. You're just trying to force yourself into it. it doesn't work that way as well. So all you need to do is this: focus on what you love so much. Get the niche that you know that you perfect in this. You know how to handle this. You know you love this. You love doing this. So those are the things. Those are the 5 things I'm going to tell you about your YouTube channel. That is why you're not getting views. So thank you for sticking with me on this channel. So like my video, comment, follow me up for more tips. I'm going to be sharing, I'm going to be unlocking the secrets about how to be successful in YouTube. So if you love this video, just give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment anywhere you're finding it difficult or any help that you lately need, for me to say something about it or teach you on how to handle it. You just comment it under this video and I will be able to reply to you, or you can contact me as well. Anyhow you feel like, just feel free to contact me. I will respond to you. Much love. Peace.